And moving on, as India is getting a grip of the second wave of the pandemic, the preparation is also now underway for a possible third wave, and experts are saying that it is in all likelihood to hit children more. Sagai Raj has spoken to several experts. Listen into what they had to say.
The second wave may have peaked and states are preparing for a possible third wave. While second surge impacted youth, experts believe third wave could impact children. Maharashtra government has started readying pediatric wards in preparation of third wave, and even Karnataka is preparing the same.
With regard to the days to come in the third wave, the children will be affected more. That is the kind of prediction is there. Even with regard to this, the already initiative has started for the vaccine trial has started for providing vaccine for the younger age people also.
Pediatricians believe that children could also face post-COVID complications.
There are also other aspects of COVID infection in children, and it's not about just getting sick and coming to ICU. One of the complications of COVID in kids is diabetes, and I've seen just this morning a child 9-year walk in with a sugar of about 600, and there was a history of COVID in this child. And this is a known entity, and what I'm more worried is that what about the kids who are out there who get even say asymptomatic infection and end up landing with a lot of complication.
Even the central government's COVID task force had warned about infections in children and assured that vaccine trials for children are being expedited.
जो कोवैक्सीन है हमारा वैक्सीन उसको परमिशन दी गई है कि वो बच्चों में अब ट्रायल आगे लेके जाएं। काम मुझे बताया गया है कि अगले 10-12 दिन में ये काम भी शुरू हो रहा है।
As vaccination trial is happening across the country, the serious concern for the government is to take enough precautionary measures and have a proper infrastructure set up to address the issues of kids in the third wave. With video journalist Sadanand, Sagai Raj reporting for Republic TV, Bengaluru.